Hi, welcome to episode 4 of Adapt Plugins. This week I'm going to be focusing on something a bit different to usual. Instead of just talking about a specific plugin or component, I wanted to talk about the process that I go through to discovering new Adapt plugins, how I keep on top of what's happening in the community, and how I kind of get all the knowledge that I have about the different plugins that exist and how I can incorporate them into my clients' projects. So the first tool I use is Github, and GitHub is like the main, the main platform which the Adapt community exists on. You can create an account for free, and I would highly recommend you do this if you're, even if you're not a developer. You can use it to report issues in projects, request new features. But you can also use the followers feature, which is similar to a platform like Twitter, where you can follow another developer, and this is the kind of developers that I follow. If you want to see the developers, you can access yourself with this link here. It creates a kind of timeline of what everyone else is doing that you can kind of follow along on. And I've discovered lots of new components and extensions that have been worked on using this tool. So a few examples around here as I go. Secondly, I would recommend, especially if you're new to Adapt and you're kind of here for the first time and you want to see if there's one specific thing that either you're requesting or your class requesting that is possible in Adapt without custom work, is using the plugin browser. So say you wanted a drag and drop component in your course, you can type in drag, and lo and behold, there's a few options available for you. You can kind of click on this and it will explain what the component does, and you can just download it and add it to your project. This is a really good tool. And it's also worth using GitHub search as well, because sometimes there's developers who forget to register their plugin on this browser. So you could type in here like adapt drag and drop, and it should be able to kind of work out. There's one there. Again, it's a bit trickier because it's obviously you get the non-adapt stuff here as well. So you kind of have to filter it, but it's not too hard to do because all the Adapt plugins always start with Adapt as a kind of the start of the project name as this kind of standardized syntax. Finally, I would recommend using some of the kind of platforms which are used in the Adapt community for staying on top of communication. So you have both the forum where you can kind of you can start a topic on something, and then, so for example, some developers may choose to kind of publicize their new component extension, and you could discover it by being present on here, as well as on Github as well, which is the kind of more of a chat room with text-based chats happening, and you can follow specific channels here and learn more about the Adapt community and all the different plugins are available. As always, please feel free to subscribe if you have any more questions. I'll be uploading every fortnight. You can message me directly and I'll respond to any questions you have. Or go to my website as well, and you can kind of discover more about the services that I provide and how I can be of help to your organization. I'll see you again in 2 weeks for the next episode.